In this tutorial, I will show you how to export to PDF in ClickUp. First, open ClickUp and log into your account. Go to the workspace or team space you want to export. Make sure you are in the correct space before continuing. Click on Overview. This will open your project summary and key details. Look for the PDF options in the Overview section. Click Download PDF. ClickUp will start generating your file. Wait a few moments while the PDF is prepared. Once ready, the file will be downloaded to your computer. Open your Downloads folder to access it. You can now share, print, or store your PDF. If needed, you can also choose the option to export PDF via email. Make sure your data is correct before exporting. That is how you export to PDF in ClickUp.